Hey guys, today we will be learning about Angular material. So first I'm gonna open my Visual Studio Code. So right now on my screen you can see we are open VS Code and we also have a project called project name that I created in the last video using the command ng new project name. This is how I created this project and now we want to install Angular material in it. So let's do it this way. Instead of like I know the commands and just type it and then just install it, we would do it like a normal developer, right? So let's say I want to create a new project and I want to install Angular material in it. So what I'll do is usually developers what they do is even though they know the commands mostly, right? But they say how to install Angular material. Yeah. So that's what I did. Instead of going here, I'll go to Angular materials npm package and this is how we use the command. You copy it from here, go back to your Visual Studio Code and you can paste it here. But before just pasting it over here, we would like to see which version of Angular do we have. For that, we might know already that for which Angular version we are going to install Angular material. But I know, okay, I'm using 13. How would which version of Angular material I'm gonna install for Angular 13? Because if I do this, it will be installing the latest version, which might not be compatible with the version that you are using. So what we do is we go to versions and then we see, oops, let's go here, go to 13 because we know we are having Angular 13. So let's go here and see, okay, let's go to the code and let's go and see its dependency in package.json. When we open this, we do control F and maybe dev dependency. Because function key is on, maybe that's why. Okay, now I'll press F3. Cool. Peer dependencies. It says the dependency is on Angular 13, right? So I think we should be good. Either either control home. Like either I can do it like this, copy and I'll install 13.339, or I'll go back and check for versions again, and now I'll go and check for version 14. Now I go to code, same thing I'll do, package.json and F3 dependencies, right? So it's dependent on Angular 14, but we are dealing with Angular 13, so I'll go and install the 13 version. So what we learned is we have to always check the version and dependencies before installing any package. So I'll just copy it here and go to our Visual Studio Code, paste it here. I'm in the directory in which I have the project. I'll press this and this should install, right? Instead of just typing npm space I and then Angular material, we should do it like this. See, it says it added 11 packages and in 5 seconds. Now see what happened. We installed it here, but you don't see anything in the package.json here, package.json here. Why? Because we ran this command here. You see, there are seems like there is a problem. What problem? Problem is we ran it in ng-new. Instead, we should be running it under the project name so that we could see it installed in a wrong folder. So it is very important to go into the projects folder and then run this command. So I'll just get rid of this folder. This folder. Okay. Now I'll go to project name. I'll press dir for directories, and I'll say cd. And then I'll say project and press tab. So it automatically wrote the name for me, and I'll press enter, and I'll press upper cursor, and then it is okay. Now I'm in the project directory. Okay, we are supposed to be in a project or in a folder where we have the package.json. So package.json was under project name, and now we will go to the package.json of this project, and you can see Angular material here. So that's how we install Angular material in your project. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, see you soon. Thank you.